All my niggas posted on the blocks like stop signs, trying to talk to the Lord, seems ignoring me. In these cold streets where it's hard to find loyalty. Them same niggas that was with you when you rised up, be them same niggas that'll try to get you tied up. Is that your man in the jam? Would he take the weight of really under pressure? Would he fold like paper plates? In the hood where everybody on the paper chase. Sometimes you gotta learn to start before you taste the steak. I can't lie, man, the streets turn boys and men putting on, letting guns clap like an audience. Every day I look in the mirror, see a real nigga. Don't make him real cause the nigga say he'll kill with you. Forget about his own man and put his bitch first. When they ain't coming from the circle, man, shit hurts. Got my paper up, niggas start frowning. Trying to stay afloat, niggas wanna see me drowning. Crackers talking time now, it's hard to start pounding. Now ain't telling on everybody that's around them. Fuck niggas, deserve nothing but a casket. Niggas go to jail and start talking like a parrot. Been getting cash for that bread, I'm an addict. Carrying the city on my back like a jacket. Now niggas got their hands open for a lookout, cause I got my projects eating like a cookout. Stunting for them hoes, never really crossed my mind. I was getting so much bread, I was forced to shine.